Hi guys, well we're more than halfway through the year now, so let's have a recap of the April to June quarter and see what lies ahead. Well, the Downsizer provisions are now coming into effect as of 1st of July this year, and it's great to see the government giving people more opportunities to get more money into superannuation. Essentially, if you're over age 65 and you're thinking about selling your home and downsizing into a smaller place and you have money left over, you may now be able to get up to $600,000 for a couple or $300,000 for an individual into superannuation. Now remember, in retirement, superannuation is one of the best places you can hold your money because it gives you access to tax-free investment earnings and tax-free income. There's some fine print and additional criteria you're going to have to meet in order to be able to be eligible to use this, but if you're thinking about it, it's a great opportunity, so by all means please get in touch and let's have a chat further. In terms of the investment markets, overall we've seen a recovery from the volatility we saw in February, and we're in place ready for all the opportunities in the coming months. In terms of Australia, we've seen all the distributions and dividends come through for the financial year quarter ending, which is great for our retirees and our high income focused models. In terms of capital growth, we're seeing greater opportunities outside the top 20 to 50 stocks. And in the international space, we're continuing to see the trade war between US and China continue to fizzle, but overall, the outlook is broadly positive. And remember, all things with investing, turn down the noise, it's a long-term game, diversification is key. In the interest rate and term deposit space, we're seeing some movement as a result of the fallout from the Royal Banking Commission. And even though the RBA's left the cash rates at 1.5% again, we're seeing some of the smaller banks increase their loan interest rates, but the big four haven't as yet. But in order to keep their profit margins with the rising costs, they're starting to trim back their term deposit rates, and we're already seeing some movement with ANZ and CBA trimming back their 12-month rates.